Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Let's see some beautiful DIY farmhouse decor ideas. DIY farmhouse decor is all about creating warm, rustic and charming home accents using natural materials, vintage finds and handmade touches. It blends simplicity with character, often giving old items a new life. Here are some ideas you can try. Messenger craft. Turn messengers into candle holders, vases, or kitchen storage containers. Wrap them in burlap, lace, or twine for a cozy farmhouse feel. Wooden sideboards. Use old wood planks to create rustic wall sign with inspirational quotes. Family names or kitchen labels. Use distress paint for a weathered look. Farmhouse shelving. Built open shelves from reclaimed old and metal brackets. Perfect for displaying crockery, plants, or antique decor pieces. Burlap and linen accents. Make sure pillow covers from burlap or linen fabric. Add penciled designs or embroidery for personalization. Rustic centerpieces add in seasonal flowers, candles, and greenery in a wooden craft or enamel pictures. Repurpose ladder decor. Use an old wooden ladder as a blanket rack, plant stand, or photo display. Chalkboard decor. Create a chalkboard menu board for the kitchen or a message board for the entryway using an old frame. Distress furniture. Sand and repaint an old table, chairs, or cabinet in white, cream, or pastel shades for the vintage farmhouse touch. Galvanized metal touches. Repurpose old metal buckets, trays, or watering cans into planters or storage bins. Pair them with greenery for a rustic farm vibe. Shiplap or wood panel walls. Use peeled and stick wood panels or reclaimed blocks to create a farmhouse accent wall. Works well in kitchens, bathrooms, or entryways. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.